candidates and welcome to Government Crackers. This is a really proud moment for all the Government Crackers team because 150 plus of our students have cleared the FCAT 1 2020 examination. So as you all know, the result of FCAT 1 2021 have been declared. Okay, the cutoff is quite a bit higher as expected, but we have trained our students for achieving, we have trained them to achieve 200 nearby scores. So we really got good results. So the current cutoff for FCAT examination is 165 and the EKT cutoff was found to be 30. So let's see what is the next. So it's a really proud moment for me. I'm a proud mentor, feeling really proud of my students. So various marks have been scored by various of the candidates. I'm receiving such kind of messages which actually makes me feel proud and gives me a lot of motivation to work hard. So congratulations to all of you, and you have worked really hard. Your scores are really good and you have a good opportunity to face AFSB and crack it. So congratulations to once again all of you. Now there are some problems coming in the FCAT result. So जो भी candidates अपना result नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, it will take some time, but then again you'll be able to check it out. I'll be also providing the link in the description so you can go and check it off there. Now just limit your happiness. Again, it is the time for hard work because the results have been released and we all know that it is going to be tougher क्योंकि already cutoff इतनी high जा चुके हैं. Now again FSB the competition is really going to be high. So what next we are planning is now we are starting preparation for AFSB. So day wise we'll be basically preparing for AFSBs. Again I'll be providing the full and complete guidance with target of aiming high and coming down into the merit list, not just getting recommended, but again the target for my students will be for coming into the merit lists. So the concept is already clear for SSB process. There are three basically tests. One is interviewing officer, one with GTO and one with psychologist. Okay, so all these three basically, psychologist checks your subconscious mind and GTO and interviewing officer basically checks your conscious mind. So how we are going to develop that, how we are going to tackle that like we tackle the written examination, and to get the best result out of it, we are already starting the sessions for AFSB interview preparation. It may be for technical branch and non-tech also. So both the students are eligible for all this. Now interview is the main part जहाँ पे लोगों को बहुत सारी problem आती है. So all these are the important sections which will be dealing, that is introduction, education, किस तरह से आपको अपने आप को present करना पड़ेगा, comprehensive PI, then defense affairs, and absolutely the technical questions which you often come across while giving the FCAT examination, especially when you are going for technical branches. ठीक है, so what are the questions, किस तरह से आपको tackle करना होगा, because interview I think is supposed one of the most easiest part if you are well prepared, and may become one of the most toughest part and the reason for your rejection from the SSB interview. So this is a major reason for non-recommendation. So how you need to tackle that, इसके बारे में भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ पर्सनल गाइडेंस शुरू करूंगी. सो ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स हु फील दैट कि वो प्रिपेयर हैं, दे कैन गो फॉर ऑनलाइन मॉक एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, जिसमें आप चेक कर सकते हैं दैट हाउ मच यू आर प्रिपेयर एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन. सो आई विल बी गिविंग यू रेगुलर गाइडेंस टिल 1 month जब तक आपके AFSB स्टार्ट नहीं हो जाते. इन नेक्स्ट 1 month you'll be getting your AFSB's call letter and automatically it is going to get started. ठीक है. So here we have FCAT courses also available with us, AFSB courses. So all you can go to Government Crackers website and take the FCAT courses. You don't need to waste your time, waste your money. Everything will be provided to you on your email IDs within 24 hours, and then you can quickly start your preparations. And I'll be there to personally guide you out and make sure that you practice each and every test with personal interaction. So I'll be in touch with you all. And once again, congratulations to all my students, and thank you so much for your appraisals that I'm getting so far. And I really feel good. And most of the students who have not cleared yet, do not lose your hopes. Start preparing. You will also clear. It's just that you somehow missed or were not guided properly. So we'll check it out. You can join the FCAT courses that has already been started for the coming FCAT 2 examination. It's already there. And just save your time, save your money, because the only thing is you need the right direction and personal guidance. So I'll see you in the next session. Till then, Jai Hind and congratulations. Start preparing. Do not stop till you get recommended. Jai Hind.